Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Playpens is probably one of the most essential pieces of baby gear for parents seeking a safe and engaging space for their little ones to explore and play, especially when you need a moment to yourself or want to ensure they're protected from household hazards. These versatile enclosures offer a secure environment, giving both babies and toddlers the freedom to move, discover new toys, and develop their motor skills without constant supervision, making them an indispensable tool for modern parenting. Whether you're looking for a compact option for small apartments or a spacious setup for the backyard, finding the right playpen can significantly enhance your child's playtime and your peace of mind. Number 5. Summer Infant Pop and Play Deluxe Playard, Aqua Splash. Introducing the ultimate Playard for your little one. It offers a spacious and secure environment for them to explore and play. Designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures, this Playard provides a safe space wherever you go. Enjoy peace of mind, knowing they are protected. Setting it up is a breeze, and when it's time to pack up, it folds down quickly and compactly. This makes storage and transport incredibly convenient. The stylish Aqua Splash design adds a touch of fun to your child's play area. It's as practical as it is attractive. Take it anywhere. Its lightweight and compact design means you can easily bring it to the park, the beach, or grandma's house. Playtime is always within reach. This deluxe Playard ensures your child's comfort and safety with its sturdy construction and full coverage. It's the perfect spot for them to play and rest. What we like? This one offers unparalleled portability and a super simple setup. If you're always on the go and need a quick, reliable play space for your little one, this is your best bet. It's perfect for spontaneous park trips or backyard fun. What people say? This playpen is very sturdy and well made. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, which is great for portability. The size is perfect for my toddler to play in, and it has enough space for a few toys. I love that this playpen has a secure lock on the door, so I don't have to worry about my baby escaping. The mesh sides allow for good ventilation and visibility, so I can always keep an eye on my little one. The playpen is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to move around the house or take outdoors. It folds up compactly for storage, which is a huge plus for small apartments. Number 4. Hiaksedt Baby Playpen 50 by 50 inch. Introducing the Hiaksedt Baby Playpen, a generous 50 by 50 inch space designed for your little one's enjoyment. It provides a secure environment for babies and toddlers to explore and play freely. This versatile playpen is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Take the fun anywhere, knowing your child has a dedicated safe zone. Crafted with a sturdy frame, it ensures maximum safety and stability. The anti-fall design gives you peace of mind while they play. Featuring soft, breathable mesh, it keeps your child comfortable and allows for easy visibility. You can always keep an eye on your little explorer. Its modern gray color complements any home decor. This Playard is not only functional but also stylish. Give your child the freedom to play while ensuring their safety. This playpen offers a secure and comfortable space for endless fun. What we like? Prioritizing safety and durability, this playpen provides a secure environment for your child. If you're looking for a robust and reliable play area that offers peace of mind, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for active toddlers who need a safe space to explore. What people say? The playpen is spacious enough for my toddler to move around freely. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, which is great for portability. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 3. Toddleroo by North State's Superyard Colorplay Ultimate Playard. Discover the Superyard Colorplay Ultimate Playard, a versatile and safe play space for your little one. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor fun, offering ample room to explore. This freestanding Playard encloses up to 18.5 square feet, providing a secure environment for your child. At 26 inches tall, it offers peace of mind while they play. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and it's easy to set up wherever you need it. Enjoy a worry-free playtime experience. Take the fun anywhere. This Playard is perfect for use inside your home or out in the yard. It adapts to your needs, providing a consistent safe zone. Crafted with quality and care, this Playard is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in its reliable design and construction for your family. The vibrant Colorplay design adds a cheerful touch to any setting. It's not just a play area, it's a fun and engaging space for your toddler. What we like. This option provides a generous, freestanding play area that can be configured to fit your space. If you need a flexible and spacious play zone for your child indoors or outdoors, consider this. It's particularly great for larger homes or yards where a fixed play area is desired. What people say. This playpen is very sturdy and well made, with no sharp edges or small parts that could be a choking hazard. The mesh sides allow for good ventilation and visibility, so I can easily keep an eye on my child while they play. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for travel or storage. Number 2. Fshibila 74x50 Large Baby Playpen. Introducing a generously sized playpen designed for your little one's enjoyment. It provides ample space for crawling, playing, and exploring safely. This Playard is perfect for use both inside your home and outdoors. Take the fun wherever you go, ensuring a secure environment for your child. Built with a sturdy frame, it offers a reliable and secure space for your baby or toddler. You can have peace of mind knowing they are protected. Featuring soft, breathable mesh, it ensures good ventilation and comfort for your child. This helps keep them cool and happy during playtime. The thoughtful design includes anti-fall features to prevent accidents. It creates a safe zone, minimizing risks while they play and learn. Its elegant gray color complements any decor, making it a stylish addition to your home. It's a practical and attractive solution for playtime. What we like. For those who need maximum space, this extra-large playpen is the answer. If you have multiple children or a very active toddler who needs plenty of room to roam, this is the one. It ensures everyone has ample space to play safely and comfortably. What people say. The playpen is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for travel or storage. It provides a safe and spacious area for babies and toddlers to play and explore. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, preventing the playpen from tipping over. Number 1. Baby Playpen with Canopy, Green. Introducing our baby playpen, designed to provide a safe and shaded space for your little one. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Keep pesky insects away with the integrated mosquito net. Ensure your baby enjoys uninterrupted playtime, wherever you are. Setting it up is a breeze with its instant pop-up design. Plus, it comes with a convenient travel bag for on-the-go fun. This spacious hexagon Playard offers plenty of room for your toddler to explore and play. It's a comfortable and secure environment. From the living room to the beach, this versatile play tent is your go-to solution. Enjoy peace of mind knowing they are protected. Crafted for durability and designed for portability, it's the ideal companion for busy parents. Take the fun anywhere. What we like. This unique hexagon playpen with a built-in mosquito net is perfect for outdoor adventures. If you love spending time outside, especially in buggy areas, and want instant setup, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for beach days, camping, or even just the backyard. What people say. The playpen is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for travel or storage. It is spacious enough for a baby or toddler to move around comfortably and play with toys. The mesh sides provide good ventilation and allow for easy supervision of the child. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.